Hi, how are ya? So today we will be making our very own Bt21 gift box. So let's get started, shall we? So to do this, I will be using some paper. I printed this picture out. I found it online. I'll leave the link down below in the description. And some Mod Podge, a paintbrush, or your hand. I ended up using my fingers. And of course, your box. It can be any size you want, big or small. So I started off by applying one layer of Mod Podge to my box, and then I sticked on my paper as if I were gluing it to the box, which is what we're actually doing. And once I did that, I applied another layer of Mod Podge on top of the picture. And that was pretty much all the steps it took to make this box. In this case, it's easier done than said.
And once you are done pasting your pictures with Mod Podge, you have this beautiful Bt21 box. Now the last step is to fill it up with some goodies. I made this as a gift box, so I will be putting in my friend's presents, and that is a Bt21 Tata pillow or plushie, and this BTS cover for your pillow. And I'm just going to add some paper to make it look nice and pretty. And that is pretty much it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos coming soon to Kids Lay. And well, I will see you next time. Bye-bye.